This past weekend, City News brought you the story of growing concern over drug paraphernalia scattered around CityPlace. Just walking down this pathway here, you might spot it hiding in the bushes or even right here in plain sight. So tonight we're taking a look at what can be done to address the underlying issue and should there be another safe injection site.
I think overdose prevention sites and supervised injection services have really helped to curb discarded drug litter. Definitely people can use inside those sites, and so they discard them right there on site.
That was Zoe Dodd with the Toronto Overdose Prevention Society, but some say a supervised injection site will only add to the problem.
We have children's safety to worry about, obviously, and I'm beginning to understand that safety injection sites are not really being used for staying in there and using. It's actually a takeout service, including respites and shelters under the umbrella of harm reduction, which is endangering all of us.
Michael Barcelos is running for council in Spadina, Fort York. He's also a recovered addict who's been clean for 10 years.
Nobody wants to be an addict. Nobody does. It didn't take overnight for them to get that way. It's not going to take overnight for them to get better. But nevertheless, we still, like I addressed, we have to address safety for the community by implementing, stricter needle control and maybe more of a street program to assist in, taking this person suffering from addiction to the location where it'll be, addressed accordingly.
But Toronto Public Health says they do make an effort to ensure needles are disposed of safely. In a statement to City News, they write, TPH provides small personal sharps containers for clients to safely store used equipment until clients are able to return to Toronto Public Health, one of our 46 partner agencies, or other needle drop box locations. The president of the CityPlace Residents Association is calling for a meeting with all stakeholders to see what more can be done.
There need to be a stakeholder consultation meeting with residents, the Residents Association, the local businesses, city staff, the Shelter Support and Housing Administration, and the Toronto Police to look at perhaps a holistic wraparound support and services that can be made available so that people who are publicly using injection needles are not using them in parks and are not unsafely disposing them in the park.
Now, Toronto Public Health says they're also working with other city divisions and community agencies to identify additional locations for needle drop boxes, but they are not considering another safe injection site. As for what you should do if you see needles or any drug paraphernalia in public spaces, you can call 311 to report it and have it cleaned up.